Hey everyone, it's Amy Dugan here, and today I want to talk to you about pricing, how you're doing it all wrong, pretty much. If you're charging by the hour, in my opinion, you're doing it wrong, and I want to tell you why clients don't see your value unless you're charging by the hour in the way you're doing it now. So pretty much, here's what's wrong with charging by the hour. You don't have a scalable business model because everything that you make, all the money that you earn, is dependent on the time that you spend. And on top of that, if you did want to sell your business down the line, not saying that you do, but if you did, you don't have a sellable business model because it's, again, dependent on the hour. There's no room for growth because, it's not a scalable model. And on top of that, it's like, if people are paying by the hour, you're like a human for hire. You're like a generalist. So people don't see the value in the transformation you're helping them with because you're not helping them make a transformation. They're paying you for your time. And if all that they're paying you for is your time, then you're never going to be able to make that much or like communicate your value. So I'll give you an example. Let's say there's, a brain surgeon. And that brain surgeon is like, okay, yep, it's going to take me 5 minutes to do the surgery. Let's just pretend. It's going to take me 5 minutes to do the surgery. It's $10,000 and your brain is going to be, the operation is going to be complete. Tumor is going to be removed and you're going to be able to think clearly unlike you ever did before. Do you care how long it takes the brain surgeon to get the tumor out? Actually, you'd probably like it to be as quick as possible, right? Like, yeah, 5 minutes? Hell yeah, get that freaking tumor out of my head. So it's not about the time it takes. It's about the transformation. It's about the result that you're helping your clients get. And if you're not communicating that in a strong way, that really strikes a chord with their needs and their desires. Your niche specifically, it needs to strike a chord with their needs and their desires, the result that you're helping them get with your offer. Unless you do that, you're always going to be a generalist for hire by the hour. So here's what I would do to fix it. If right now you're charging by the hour, here's what you can do to communicate your value. Get clear on the exact person that you're helping. Who is that user? Like, who is that ideal client? If it's in a niche, great. If it's not in a niche, get some common characteristics of your ideal client and really define that person. Then what you want to do from there is, what are the biggest needs, what are the biggest problems, and what are the biggest desires that ideal person in that niche has? What are they? What are the big market needs? How can I add value? Once you see what their needs and desires are, then you can package your service into an offer that fills the holes in that person. So let's say that your ideal client is a ball. And it's a ball that's filled with water. And there's a bunch of holes in the ball, and the ball's leaking. Here's what you should be doing with your service. Your service should be patching the holes for them. And so it's not like you create your service and then tell the market what it is and by the hour and, I'll help you with whatever you need in this general service, right? It should be, here's your user, here's all the problems they're having, and you're going to create a package, you're going to create a package that fits this user, that is consistent. You always come across these people. There's a pattern in this niche, and you can help all of them with similar problems that they have using this offer that you create. And when you do have that offer, it's just like, I help this person get these results with this one offer that's, let's say it takes 6 weeks and it's $5,000. Boom. Now you can communicate your value. Why? Because you know how to strike a chord with that person. You know what their needs and desires are. You're speaking their language. You're helping them make a transformation, get a result. You're not helping them with whatever they need per hour, on call. You need to move away from freelancer and move into business owner. I'm going to leave you with this one last example because I think everyone can relate to this. Let's say you go to the hairdresser, your hair's looking meh, okay? You go to the hairdresser. The hairdresser's like, yeah, okay, what do you want me to do? How do you want me to cut it? You're like, I don't know, you're the hairdresser. Tell me what I need to do to look awesome, to have awesome hair. Like, okay, current situation is my hair looks like shit. Desired situation is I'd like to have a great haircut that like complements my bone structure. I don't know, makes me look hot, right? Okay. What should that hairdresser do? They should be telling you. They should be telling you how to make your hair look awesome. They should be making that transformation for you. They should know what to do. They're the expert, not you. You don't know about hair. So it's like, that's what you should be doing with your business. This niche, this client that's coming to you, who are they? What are their needs? What's their current situation? What's their desired situation? You're the expert who needs to help them bridge that gap and get to their desired situation. It shouldn't be like the client's telling you, hey, I don't know what I need. Can you do this? Can you do that? I don't know. They don't know. You're the expert. You're the person who needs to tell them what they need to do to get that result. And that's what you can do when you have a package and you have this offer and this transformation that you're helping them with, instead of, oh, I charge, this by the hour. You know what I mean? Okay. So I hope that helps you reevaluate your offer and your pricing and communicate your value to ideal clients. And thanks so much for listening. I will see you in the next one. Bye.